They're nearing the start. They're off and pacing from mid-pack. Tiber Champ moving quickly from the outside is Cody's Honor down to secure a good early spot along the inside is Powerful Al. Moving up on the far outside is Rock and Roll Herman. Head into the turn and approach the opening quarter, and Cody's Honor off stride Cody's Honor. So Bravehearted now scoots around and takes over the early lead. Powerful Owl comes away in second. A Wrangleback Tiber Champ looks to grab the third spot. Up on the outside is Village Bistro. They're by the opening quarter in 28-2. Pass in front of us for the first time. Along the inside, Bravehearted right alongside Village Bistro. Up on the rim, here comes Josh Adam Jacob. And clearing as they head toward the 3/8 is a Village Bistro. Immediate pressure comes from Josh Adam Jacob. Towards the inside, Bravehearted is back to third. Powerful Owl hugs the pylons in fourth. Another 2 lanes back, Rock and Roll Herman found a seat in fifth. He's followed through by Pris Esperance. Moving up on the outside, it's Cody's Honor. They pace by the half-mile station in 57-4. Straighten up down the backstretch, and it's our third lead change. Josh, Adam, Jacob, and Parker take over by 3. Village Bistro is back to second. 2 lanes, Bravehearted is third. Up on the outside, Powerful Al and Scott Renz. They've got 6 to make up. A 7-length gap back to Rock and Roll Herman. Stalled on the outside is Cody's Honor. Forced 3 wide is Sisyphus. Pinned in along the inside is Pris Esperance, and moving on the far outside is Tiber Champ. 3/4 up in 1:26 flat. Third quarter in 28-1. Far turn of final time. Josh Adam Jacob the lead a length and a half. Village Bistro inches closer in second. 3 lanes back to Bravehearted in third. On the far outside is Sisyphus. Less than an eighth of a mile apace. They're on their way home. And Josh Adam Jacob is the target. He's got the lead a length and a half. Village Bistro takes another shot from the pocket. 4 lanes back, far outside Tiber Champ. But it's Josh Adam Jacob. He gets the money. He wins in the lane. Village Bistro second best. Far outside Sisyphus. Down along the inside, it looked like Rock and Roll Herman. Photo for the 4 spot, 156-2. And making his way back to the winner's circle, the unofficial winner of tonight's 7th race, number 4, Josh Adam Jacob. 3-year-old bay gelding by Village Jolt from the Jake LaBelle mare Pensive. Owned by Barron Racing Stable of Pennsylvania and VIP Stable Limited Liability Corporation of Delaware. Trained by John Budnishin. Driven to victory by Howard Parker. Time for the mile, 156-2. It's a training double for John Budnishin. It's a driving double for Howard Parker. They teamed up to win the 5th with Manic Martin.